If you have a toilet that keeps refilling on its own throughout the day, it can be one of several problems. First, check the flush valve flapper or seal. As it ages, it can change shape or have a buildup of deposits, causing it to leak. When the tank water level gets too low, the fill valve will refill the tank. When you replace a flapper or seal, wipe off the seat on the flush valve with white vinegar on a soft cloth to remove deposits. Fluidmaster recommends routinely replacing the flapper or seal every 3 to 5 years. If you're replacing a flapper, put the chain hook in a hole above the flapper so it opens farther for a better flush. You don't want it off at an angle. Only leave about a 1/4 inch of slack. If you leave too much slack, it won't open properly and the chain can get caught under the flapper from time to time, causing the toilet to refill. If the chain is too tight, it can allow water to leak into the bowl. Cut down excess chain so it doesn't get caught under the flapper. Some flush valves have short overflow tubes and there's not enough water to hold the flapper or seal down hard enough, so water leaks into the bowl, causing it to refill. You can add a flush valve overflow extension tube to increase the amount of water, which will hold the flapper or seal down better, and it will increase the flushing power. Keep the height of the tube slightly below the hole for the handle. If the refill tube from the fill valve is extending down into the overflow tube below the water level in the tank, it can siphon water out of the tank, causing the fill valve to run. Use an overflow tube clip to keep the refill tube above the water level in the tank.